Question number 7 is quite similar to your last question number 6. Here the question is two aircraft drop bomb to destroy a bridge. The probability that a bomb dropped from a first aircraft hits the target is 0.9. This is the same question I have copied from your textbook, but I just divided the information with a proper paragraph. Then the next information is given that the probability of a bomb dropped from the second aircraft hits the target by 0.7. Now the probability of one bomb dropped from both the aircraft hitting the target is 0.63. So here we can say the first aircraft we can denote as a P of A, the second aircraft we can denote as a P of B, and when the bomb has been dropped by both the aircraft, both means it is P of A intersect B. Now the bridge is destroyed even in one bomb drop on it. Find the probability that bridge is destroyed. Now after this three information we got it that here is the probability we are going to find out by putting law of addition. तो ये तीनों information को आप देख लो. It covers the formula of law of addition. So before you directly put the law of addition formula, first write down what you are denoting P of A, P of B and P of A intersect B. So after writing this, here we can find out law of addition, that is A union B, where we'll keep all the information intersect B. So let's take P of A is 0.9, P of B is 0.7 and A intersect B is 0.63. So here we get is 0.97. That's it. Moving to the next. Question number 8. The probability that a teenager coming to a restaurant for dinner order pizza is 0.63. Next information, the probability of ordering cold drink is 0.54. The probability that teenager order at least one out of pizza and cold drink is 0.88. So by reading only we can get that ordering of pizza will be denoted as P of A, ordering of cold drink will be P of B, but here wait, see it is at least. At least means not a intersect but it's a union. At least का मतलब होता है union. So this will be A union B. Then what is the question is asking that find the probability that the teenager coming to a dinner on a certain day order only one of the two items from pizza and cold drink. So here they are suggested that only one of the two items. So if you remember this, I have already shown you in the information. Remember this is in the last video I have given that selecting any one event out of two event. Now when this question is giving any one of the event out of two event to select, that time you have to take that P of A complementary यानी कि A के सिवाय intersect B union P of A intersect B complementary. So that's what the formula we are going to apply for this question. So here you can see I already gave the number. Remember आपको जब भी solution लिखना है आप ये solution इस तरह से लिख के ही बताओगे कि probability of ordering pizza को आपने क्या denote किया, तो P of A, then cold drink P of B and ordering at least one of the pizza or the cold drink which is A union B. And as the question has given to order only one of the two items means select any one of the item out of pizza or the cold drink. Remember this time we are going to put these rules. So by looking only this information, don't directly put law of addition. You have to find out what exactly have to be put. So out of this, if you remember, the formula will be described with if A complementary intersect B, it would be P of B minus P of A intersect B plus for this it would be P of A minus P of A intersect B. Now for this you can see the information what we need is A intersect B. P of A and P of B we already have, but the next information is about at least one of them which is A union B. और हमें information के हिसाब से apply करना है A intersect B. So let's find out by putting the law of addition formula. अब law of addition formula is P of A union B, P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersect B. Now that's what the value we have to find out. Here A union B is 0.88, P of A which is 0.63, P of B is 0.54, and that's what the information we need to find. Here we can shuffle this by exchanging the place of intersect and union, that is minus 0.88. Here we get the answer 0.29. Now let's keep this value into the formula. Now P of B is 0.54, intersect, that just now what we found, 0.29, plus P of A is 0.63 minus A intersect B, again will give 0.29. Now get them subtract. Now getting them subtract, we'll get 0.25 plus, and getting them subtract, here it would be 0.34. Now by adding this 2, we'll get 0.59. That's what the answer. Moving to the next. Question number 9. If A and B are mutually exclusive and exhaustive event in a sample space and P of A is to P of B, then find out P of A. Now if you remember, what did I say? Mutually exclusive and exhaustive event means P of A intersect B is a null set, and P of A union B, which is sample space, which is we denoted as P of A plus P of B equals to 1. So by keeping this equation for finding P of A, that is when you have to apply when the question is given mutually exclusive and exhaustive event, that is P of A plus P of B equals to 1. Now P of A, here the value is given 2PB. So let's P of 2P of B dal diya. This will be copied same, equals to 1. So 2 plus 1, it will become 3P of B equals to 1. So here P of B will be 1 upon 3. Now let's keep the situation. The same question what is given is P of A equals to 2P of B. The same what is given in the question, that's I copied. Then just keep 2 as P of B value, we already got it, that is 1 upon 3. So the answer will be 2 upon 3. That's what the question have asked, that P of A here we found is 2 upon 3. Next, 3 event A, B and C in a sample space are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. This equation is given, then find out P union A union C, P of B union C. Now for finding, before we find this, again the question here is mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Now for this, here they have used 3 event. For 3 event, that is A, B and C are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. For this we'll reply P of A plus P of B plus P of C equals to 1. Now let's keep all the let's find out what is the information. Here first we'll take the equation, that is 4 P of A equals to 5 P of B equals to 3 P of C. Now out of this information, always the question give equals to what, but in this question nothing is given, so here we'll assume it as a x. Now let's find out. By keeping x, here we'll say P of A, 4P of A equals to x. Next 5P of B equals to x. Next 3P of C equals to x. Now P of A will be denoted as a x, और 4 को हम डिनोमिनेटर में ले लेंगे. Same will do for P of B. X will remain same position, but 5 will be taken on the denominator. Same for C, which will be like this. So after finding all the information, let's skip back to the equation. Here we found P of A value is x upon 4 plus P of B value is x upon 5 and P of C value is x upon 3, which is equals to 1. Now out of this information, let's remove LCM. Now for removing LCM, it is just a simple calculation I am showing you here. This you all must be learned in the secondary section, but this I am just going to show you. We'll take it with 2 table. 2 2s are and no number go with 2. 2 1s are, again it will not go. 3 1s are, only 5 remain. 5 1s are. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 5s are comes 60. So that would be the common number out of this LCM. So here I am keeping 60 as a common number. 4 के table में 60 कब आएगा? It would be 4 15s are. 5 के table में 60 by 5 12s are, and in 3 का table 20s are. So 15 get multiplied with x will be 15x plus 12 multiplied by x will be 12x. 20 multiplied by x will be 20x equals to 1. So if we add all of them, this will be 47x upon 60 equals to 1. Now, yes, I don't have a space, I am showing you here. The x will be remain like that 1. Here it will go 47 upon 60. So here if we take it in the way by 60 upon 47. So that's what the value we found, x equals to 60 upon 47. Now let's keep into this, which is the value of x we found 60 upon 47 divided by 4. Same here. जब इस तरह से सिचुएशन आ जाए तो मैथमेटिकली हम क्या करते हैं, 60 will remain as it is and 47 will go in the denominator. Same for here. Now this will get cancelled. 2 2s are 2 30, 2 1s are 2 15. So here we got is 15 upon 47. Same will do for the next. 5 1s are, 5 12s are. So here remain 12 upon 47. 3 1s are, 3 20s are. So here we get 20 upon 47. So that's what the value we found for P of A. This is for P of B and this is for P of C. Now let's find out A union C and B union C. A union C, which will be P of A plus P of C, where P of A we found is 15 upon 47 plus P of C is 20 upon 47. Now by taking an LCM, obviously the common number will be 47, which is 15 plus 20. The answer is 35 upon 47. Same will apply for P B union C, which is P of B plus P of C. Here it would be 12 upon 47 plus 20 upon 47. Again the common number is 47 and 12 plus 20 will become 32 upon 47. So that's what the answer we found. Next, find A union B union C by using the following information about the 3 events A, B and C in a sample space, where all the information you can see is already given. You just have to apply the formula. So here the law of addition formula will be A union B union C. Hope you remember. हम कैसे करते थे? पहले A B C को प्लस कर देंगे. Event A plus event B plus event C. Then intersect one will get minus, which is A intersect B, P of B, A intersect C minus P of B intersect C. Then we'll add P A intersect B intersect C. Now let's we have to keep the value which is already given, 0.65, 0.45 plus 0.25. Now get minus with intersect, which is 0.25 minus 0.15 minus 0.2 plus 0.05. Now if you calculate this, you will get it is 0.8. Moving to the next question. 3 event A, B and C is a sample space are mutually exclusive and exhaustive, where if P, C complementary is 0.8 and 3, P of B equals to 2, P, A complementary, then find out P of A and P of B. Now let's take all the information here. P of C complementary, which is shown, is 0.8. Now if we want to find out P of C, again it is given mutually exclusive and exhaustive. So again we are going to find out P of A plus P of B plus P of C. But before that we need P of C, not C complementary. So for this we'll apply the rule, the rule of the probability of complementary event, which is 1 minus P of C, which is 0.8. So here we'll just exchange the value 1 minus 0.8 with P of C. We'll find out it is 0.2. So therefore P of C here we found is 0.2. Next is given is this equation, that is 3 P of B equals to 2 P of A complementary. So again we don't need a complementary one, so let's make it into the 1 minus P of A. That's what the complementary rule, that only I apply here. So P of B will be 2, let's get it multiply. 2 ones are 2 minus 2 into P of A, which is 2 P of A. Next P of B equals to 2 minus 2 P of A upon 3. So that's what the value we found for P of B. So let's take it as a situation, and this is what the only solution we can do out of this information. So let's keep now the mutually exclusive and exhaustive rule, which is P of A, P of B plus P of C equals to 1. Now here we didn't found P of A, we just found P of C and P of B. So P of A will keep as it is. P of B just now we found is plus 2 minus 2 P of A upon 3 plus P of C we found is 0.2 equals to 1. So now out of this situation, here is the number which we can take it out. So P of A, 2 minus 2 P of A upon 3 equals to 1 minus 0. Now here P of A plus 2 minus 2 P of A upon 3 equals to, if we get it minus, it is 0.8. Now here we can take the LCM 1 and 3, that is, if we take a common number 3 here, 1 के टेबल में 3 आएगा 3 से और 3 के टेबल में 1 से. So 3 multiplied P of A will be 3 P of A plus 1 into this will be 2 minus 2 P of A. It is not going to be changed because it get multiplied by 1. So equals to 0.8. Now here you can see 3 P of A minus 2 P of A. So out of 3, 2 will be get minus, remain single 1 P of A plus 2 upon 3 equals to 0.8. Now let's take this number 3 over there, which is P of A plus 2 equals to 0.8 get multiplied by 3. So here the value will be 2.4. Next, P of A will remain as it is with 2.4. If I take this plus 2 over here, will be minus 2. So P of A value becomes 0.4. So finally we got the P of A answer. That's what the question have asked, to find out P of A. The next is to find out P of B. For this, let's keep the same situation. Let's keep this same situation here by putting P of B equals to, you can see here, 2 minus 2 P of A upon 3. 2 as it is minus 2 P of A, just now we got the values, that is 0.4. divide by 3. 2 as it is. 2 get multiplied by 0.40, it would be 0.8. Divide by 3. 2 get minus with this, you will get 1 upon 2 upon 3, and if you get them divide, you will get 0.4. Here we complete exercise 1.3. Moving to the next.